Wow, guys, look at this beautiful classic Jeep. This thing is gorgeous. All original. Completely done over. Just beautiful. Absolutely love it. Gorgeous Jeep. Down here on the deck harbor. And yeah, this thing here is pretty spectacular. I've never seen one in this good a condition. It looks like it's brand new. So obviously it's been very well restored. Very nice. Down here at the Deck Yacht Club. Some beautiful ships. Woo! There they are. Some beautiful yachts here in dry dock. Beautiful big ships. Just a gorgeous day. Enjoying the deck, the ships, fine food, good wine, good people, and classic cars. Doesn't get much better than this. I'm very happy I took the day off. Hope everybody has a great day. Bye for now.